Basement smoke alarm. I-9010. First floor hallway smoke alarm. That's also an I-9010. Master bedroom smoke alarm. There we go. This is also an I-9010. Upstairs hallway smoke alarm. That's an I-9010 as well. Upstairs bedroom 1 smoke alarm. That's another I-9010. Upstairs bedroom smoke alarm 2. This is in a different bedroom. Here we go. That is a I-9010. Upstairs hallway carbon monoxide alarm. This is a C3010. It's a 10-year sealed carbon monoxide alarm. And the reason it sounded quiet on the first round of code 4 is because it has the ramp up test feature. It's kind of cool. Here's the first floor carbon monoxide alarm. This is in the living room. This is a C3010, just like the one upstairs. It's also got the ramp up feature because it's the same alarm. Basement carbon monoxide alarm. This is, once again, a C3010. Very nice units.